Say good morning to teacher. Good morning again for the second lecture. Good morning. Very good. All of you are ready for the next session? बोर हो गए क्या मैथ्स पढ़ के? नहीं? Yes or no? Say yes or no. नहीं ना? Okay. तो फिर आपको क्या करना है? First, all of you keep your hands on the shoulder. Fast, fast. Keep your hands on the shoulder. Very shoulder. Yes, move your shoulder like this. Okay, stop. Stop. Now, touch your nose, touch your nose, touch your nose, touch your nose. Fast, 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 fast. Touch your eyes. Where is your eyes? Yes. Touch your ears. Yes. Pull your ears. Pull your ears. Pull, pull, pull. Yes. Keep your hands on your head. Where is your head? Yes. Keep your fingers on your mouth. Fast. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay. Keep your hands on the chin. Chin, chin, chin. कहाँ है chin आपका? Yes. Where is your cheeks? Where is your cheeks? Okay, very good. Very good. Shake your hands like this. Shake your hands. Okay. Rub your hand. Rub your hand. Rub your hand fast, fast. Keep on your face. Do like this. Okay, now we will go with our session. In the last EVS session, what you have learned? आपने EVS में last time क्या पढ़ा था? कौन बताएगा मुझे? Who is going to tell me? Yes, Rugved Parab. Unmute yourself, Rugved. Rugved. Yes, EVS में आपने क्या पढ़ा था last time? Yes. Parts of the faces. Parts of the faces, right? है कि नहीं? फेस में क्या क्या दिखता है आपको? क्या क्या है आप बताओ मुझे. ये क्या है? ये क्या है बेटा? आई, राइट. और ये क्या है? Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, now you can mute yourself. Okay, now who is going to tell me the next? Yes, Rudra Bhagat. Rudra, unmute yourself, Rudra.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, आप मुझे बताओगे. Last time teacher ने पढ़ाया था ना, तो ये क्या है? What is this?
Eyes.
Eyes. How many eyes are you are having? How many eyes you have? How many eyes are there?
Two.
Two. Very good. And what is this?
Face.
Face. Very good. Face पे ये क्या है?
Mouth.
Mouth. और ये क्या है?
Eyes.
Eyes के ऊपर आपको black black क्या दिख रहा है? ये क्या है?
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Very good. और ये क्या है?
Ears.
और ये क्या दिख रहा है? ये क्या है?
Hair.
Hair. Very good. Very good. Now you can mute yourself. It means all of you know about the parts of the faces. But today we are going to learn the next one. Okay. आज आप क्या सीखने वाले हो? कौन बताएगा मुझे? आज हम लोग next सीखने वाले. But before that, you have to tell me कि टीचर ने एक आपको पोयम सिखाया था ना? कौन बताएगा मुझे वो पोयम कौन सा था? Yes, कौन बताएगा मुझे कि वो टीचर ने कौन सा पोयम आपको बताया था? Yes, कैवल्य, unmute yourself. कैवल्य. कैवल्य, unmute yourself. Are you there or not? कैवल्य. Okay, no problem. Then the Ruth and Dulcie. Unmute yourself. Ruth and Dulcie. Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. In the last session, teacher had taught you one poem. Okay. Which poem? Can you tell me?
Shoulder, knees and toes.
Yes.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes.
Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Very good. उसके बाद क्या है? Elbows. Elbows, ankle, feet and hands. Feet and hands. Yes. Elbows, ankle, feet and hands. Feet and hands. And what? What? Elbows, ankle, feet and hands. Feet and hands. Elbows, ankle, feet and hands. Feet and hands. And hips and fingers and what? मतलब आप सब लोग को अभी प्रैक्टिस चाहिए हो कि नो प्रॉब्लम. Today we are going to revise this poem again and we will go with the parts of the legs and the arms. Okay. आज हम लोग क्या सीखने वाले हैं? ये पोयम हम लोग फिर से रिवाइज करेंगे one time and then we will go with the parts of the legs and the arms. What is arm? This is our arm and our legs. Leg means this is our leg. This is our legs and we will see the parts of the legs and arms. But before that, teacher will share you one video. Okay, after that we will start the poem. Okay, yes. Are you ready to see the poem? Yes. And enjoy this rhymes and enjoy this video. Okay. This is the parts of the, yes, part of the body.
Learning made interactive and engaging with the Disney Byju's Early Learn app. Download now.
Parts of our body. Come on, children, let's learn the body parts. This is my head, these are my hair, these are my ears, these are my eyes, and this is my nose. Let's learn the body parts. Let's learn the body parts. These are my cheeks, this is my chin, this is my mouth, these are my teeth, and this is my tongue. Let's learn the body parts. Let's learn the body parts. This is my neck, these are my shoulders, these are my hands, these are my elbows, these are my wrists, and these are my fingers. Let's learn the body parts. Let's learn the body parts. This is my chest, this is my stomach, these are my legs, this is my thigh, this is my knee, this is my ankle, this is my foot, and these are my fingers. These are the body parts. These are the body parts. These are the body parts. These are the body parts.
Okay. Have you enjoyed the video? What is in the video? Body parts. Okay. Different body parts names are there in this video. Okay. Have you enjoyed, all of you? Show me a thumb. Yes. Show me a thumb, all of you. Yes. Very good. Now, we are going to see about the parts of the arms and the parts of the legs. Okay. Before that, I will show you something. This is, what is this? This is our elbow. What is this? Elbow. This is our elbow. Okay. And what is this? Who is going to tell me this? What is this? Yes. Ria and Sia, unmute yourself. Ria and Sia.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. First, Ria will tell me. What is this? ये क्या है?
Hand.
Hand. Hand. Right. But in that hand, what is this? ये क्या है? ये सब क्या है हमारे?
Finger.
Fingers. और ये क्या है? What is this?
Thumb.
Only this.
Thumb.
Thumb. Yes. Very good. Now Sia will tell me.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Weird answer.
ये क्या है? Knees.
Knees.
Yes. ये क्या है? Knees. Yes. Very good. Okay.
Knees.
And this is a what? Ankle. This is a
Ankle.
साथ में बोलो.
Good dear.
Ankle. Yes, very good. Now, what is this?
Toes.
Toes. आपने
Good
पोयम
dear.
पढ़ा था ना? Head, shoulder, knees and toes. पैर के जो fingers होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Toes. Yes, very good. Now you can mute yourself. Okay. Now I will share the document with you and we will see the different parts of the legs and the arms separately. Okay. And we will read the spelling also. Yes. Are you ready with that? Yes, all of you. Show me a thumb. Are you ready? Say it loudly. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, all of you. Say, yes, I'm ready. And with a big smile. Okay. This is a poem. One time I will revise the poem. Okay. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. हम लोग ने सीखा था ना? Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. सीखा था ना हम लोग ने? Elbows, ankle, feet and hands. Feet and hands. Elbows, ankle, feet and hands, feet and hands, and hips and hair and fingers and chin. Elbows, ankle, feet and hands, feet and hands. अभी आज हम लोग क्या सीखने वाले? Elbows, ankles ये सब सीखने वाले हैं ना? Elbows, ankle, feet and hands, feet and hands. Elbows, ankle, feet and hands, feet and hands, and hips and hair and fingers and chin. Elbows, ankle, feet and hands, feet and hands. कौन बोल के बताएगा मुझे? मेरे साथ में कौन बोलेगा ये लाइन? Yes, Rian. Unmute yourself, Rian and Ronil. Both of you unmute yourself.
Ronnie.
Ronil and Rian. Both of you.
अच्छे टोस है. Ready.
Yes. Now, आप मेरे साथ में पोयम बोलोगे?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. बोलो मेरे साथ में. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes.
Head, shoulder, toes.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Yes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. बोलो.
Shoulder, toes. Elbow, feet and hand.
Very good. आप बोलो बराबर बोल रहे हो. Elbows, ankle, feet and hands. Feet and hands.
Elbow, feet and hands. मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ ना मम्मी?
Very good. And hips and hair बोलो. And hips and hair and fingers and chin. Okay, आपने good, आपने अच्छा try किया Rian. You can mute yourself. Rian, mute yourself. आपका कुछ network issue है Rian. Please mute yourself.
Mouth
अनिल आपको भी बोलना है.
Elbow, ankle, feet, and hip.
Okay, elbows, ankle, feet and hands. Feet and hands. Yeah. Elbows, ankle, feet and hands. Feet and hands. And hips and
Uncle, feet and hands.
Feet and hands.
Feet and hands.
Head.
Shoulder, little toe, little toe.
okay. Now, please take the screenshot if you don't have this page. Okay, parent? If you don't have, then please take the screenshot. Okay. Then I will go with the next. Today we are going to learn about parts of the arm and the parts of the legs. Okay. Yes. Part of the arm. Arm means हमारे shoulder से लेके जो हमारे fingers का part है, that is called as arm. ठीक है? Arm. Arms में बहुत सारे parts होते हैं. ठीक है? What is this? I will read out. This is our elbow, right? This is our elbow. This is our elbow. Then this is our hand. From elbow to this one, wrist is the hand. Okay. And this is our wrist. This is our wrist. What is called? Wrist. Okay. Then the palm. This is our palm. Okay. Yes. This is the thumb and the fingers. Okay. This is our fingers. Okay. Yes, everyone. Elbow, hand, palm, wrist, thumb and the fingers. Okay. Yes. And we are going to read the spelling also. Who will read this spelling with me? Who will read this spelling? Yes, after Rayan, Sanvi, unmute yourself. Sanvi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, you have to read the spelling with me. What is this first वाला जो है ना? वो क्या है? ये hand. What is called? Hand. Read the spelling.
H-A-N-D, hand.
Yes, H for hand. Hand. आपको sound के साथ में आप उसको क्या कर सकते हो? Recognize करते हो. Okay. Yes, H for hand. Very good. Now the next one. Read the next also. What is this?
Thumb.
Thumb. Very good. Read the spelling.
T-H-U-M-B.
Thumb. Yes, very good. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. Very good. Now the next.
Elbow.
Yes, elbow. Read the spelling of elbow.
E-L-B-O-W, elbow.
Yes, very good. Now you can mute yourself. The next spelling will read the
Thank you, teacher.
next. Welcome. Now the next is Sanskruti. Unmute yourself, Sanskruti. Sanskruti, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, you have to tell me the next one. What is this? This is our palm. This is our palm. What is called? Bolo. Yes, Sanskruti. Okay, I think some network issue is there. Sanskruti, your voice is not coming. Okay, next, after Sanskruti, Sarth, unmute yourself. Sarth and Shivansh, both of you.
Yes,
Shivansh
teacher.
also join. Yes, both of you have to tell me.
Joined.
What is this? आप दोनों को रीड करना है. क्या है ये?
Joined.
Palm.
Finger.
Palm.
No, palm.
Palm.
Palm. फिंगर के नीचे आपके देखो हाथ में यहाँ पे देखो वो क्या होता है? Palm. Yes. तो रीड करो स्पेलिंग.
P-A-L-M. Palm.
Very good. Now the next. अभी आपका क्या है ये? Yes. ये fingers. What is called? Fingers. Read करो spelling finger का.
F-I-N-G-E-R, finger.
Yes, very good. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Yes, very good. Now the next. What is this? Wrist.
W-R-I-S-T.
Wrist.
Yes.
Wrist.
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 Yes, very good. Wrist. Okay, very good. Now you can mute yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you,
आपने
teacher.
तो यस आपने तो रीड नहीं किया शिवांश, आपने रीड किया? यस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ द आर्म्स. ये पार्ट्स ऑफ द लेग्स है, ठीक है? तो लेग्स का जो लेग्स में जो पार्ट है, सॉरी 1 मिनट. अभी पार्ट्स ऑफ द लेग हम लोग देखेंगे. पार्ट्स ऑफ द लेग क्या है? नी. ये क्या है? नी, फुट, toes. ये क्या है? toes. Okay, what is called toes? Yes, this is our toes, foot. Okay, and the next one is ankle. This is our ankle. Okay, this is our ankle, and this is our heel. Okay, heel. आप देखो सैंडल पहनते हो या चप्पल पहनते हो आप लोग, ठीक है ना? That is called heel. And this is our knee. And this is our thigh. Okay. Thigh. This is our thigh. Yes. Thigh. Right? Now we are going to learn about the next one is this one. Knee, thigh. अभी आप लोग क्या करोगे? रीड करोगे सिंगल सिंगल. ठीक है? कौन रीड करके बताएगा मुझे? 1-1 आपको रीड करके बताना है. Yes. After Sarth and Shivansh, yes, Shravya, unmute yourself, Shravya. Shravya, read this one.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, आपको ये दिख रहा है? ये क्या है? नी. यस, आप मराठी में उसको क्या बोलते हैं? गुड़गिया बोलते हैं ना, गुड़गिया या घुटना. ठीक है? तो क्या है? नी. रीड द स्पेलिंग ऑल्सो.
K-N-E.
यस, नी. वेरी गुड. नाउ द नेक्स्ट. आपको नेक्स्ट वाला ये क्या है? थाई. थाई का स्पेलिंग पढ़ो. यस, पढ़ो.
T-H-I-G-H.
Very good. Thigh. Yes, very good. Now the next.
Toes.
हाँ, पढ़ के बताओ.
T-O-E-S.
Yes, very good. Toes. जो पैर के फिंगर्स होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Toes. Yes, very good. Now the next.
Angle.
Ankle. बोलो. Ankle. Yes.
N-K-L-E.
Ankle.
Ankle.
Yes. Now the next one. Next वाला पढ़ो.
Heel.
Heel. Yes, very good. Read the spelling.
H-E-double-L.
Double-E-L. Yes, very good. Now last one. Foot. Yes.
F-double-O-T.
T. Yes, foot. Very good. Very good. Now you can mute yourself.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome. Now it's time to solve the worksheet. Okay. All of you have to solve the worksheet with me. Okay. Now, are you ready with that? Today we are going to solve the different worksheet. What do you have to do here? Circle the parts of the arms and the legs from the given body parts. आपको यहाँ पे अभी body parts बहुत सारे दिख रहे हैं. ठीक है? आपको उसमें से क्या सर्कल करना है? Only the parts of the arms and the legs. Who is going to tell me this one? Yes, Shaurya. Shaurya Rajpurkar, unmute yourself. Shaurya.
Yes, teacher.
हाँ, आपको बहुत सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स दिख रहे हैं ना? तो आपको मुझे बताना है कि कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट हमारा पार्ट्स ऑफ द आर्म्स है और लेग्स है. आर्म्स और लेग्स के बॉडी पार्ट्स को आपको क्या करना है? सर्कल. आप मुझे बताओगे और मैं सर्कल करूंगी. ठीक है? तो फर्स्ट वाले को करूं सर्कल. व्हाट इज दिस?
What is this?
Eyes.
Eyes. तो eyes is a part of an arm or legs? Yes or no?
Yes or no?
वो आर्म्स के पार्ट से क्या हाथ में होते हैं? No, na? Okay. Now the next one. Is this a part of an arm or a legs?
No.
No. Very good. Now the next one. Is this a part of a legs or arms?
No.
No. Very good. Now the next one. Is this a part of an arm or a legs?
No.
And this one?
Yes.
Yes. And what do you have to do here? We have to circle it. Yes. Very good. Now the next one.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Now the next one. Next one is a part of a leg or a arms?
No.
No. What is this? ये क्या है? But आप मुझे नाम बताओ.
रीड कर है
Teeth.
Double E T H.
Teeth. Yes. Very good. Now this next one. Is this a part of a legs and arms?
Yes.
Yes. Then we have to circle it. Now the next one. Is this a part of a legs and arms?
Yes.
Yes. Then it's a. We have to circle it. Read the spelling also. Both of the spelling you have to read it. What is this?
H-A-N-D.
Yes. And read this one.
F-double-O-T.
Foot. Yes. Very good. Very good. You have done very well. This is a
Thank you.
star for you. Yes. Very good. Now mute yourself. Now the next worksheet we are going to solve is write the missing letters from the given options. आपको जो यहाँ पे spellings दी है ना, उसमें से आपको बताना है कि उसका correct spelling क्या है. Okay, who is going to tell me this one? Yes, after Shaurya. Yes, Shreyansh, unmute yourself, Shreyansh. Shreyansh, unmute yourself.
बोल दो उसका आर्म में क्या आएगा?
फर्स्ट वन क्या है? फर्स्ट वन कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट है?
ये
फर्स्ट वाला.
जोर से बोलो.
आर.
आर्म. वेरी गुड. तो आर्म में यहाँ पे ए लिखा हुआ है तो स्पेलिंग और कौन सा होगा? यहाँ पे कौन सा स्पेलिंग लिखूं मैं? स्पेलिंग.
जोर से बोलो ना.
क्या?
After A, what I have to write? A.
आर.
हाँ.
R. Very good. A and R. Then
M.
M. Yes. Very good. A R M. आर्म. आपको यहाँ से ही चूज करना है. ठीक है? ठीक है?
ठीक से बैठ.
Very good. Very good, Shreyansh. Unmute yourself. Okay. Now after Shreyansh, Smeeral, unmute yourself, Smeeral. Smeeral. Smeeral, unmute yourself. Okay, Sparsh, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay, both of you, one by one, you have to tell me. Smeeral will tell me the second one and Sparsh will tell me the third one. Okay. First, Smeeral will tell me which part is this.
Foot.
Foot. Very good. So what I have to write here? यहाँ पे क्या लिखना रहेगा? आपको यहाँ से ऑप्शन देखना है और मुझे स्पेलिंग बताना है. करेक्ट स्पेलिंग बताना है.
F-double-O-T.
Yes, very good. F-double-O-T. Foot. Very good, Smeeral. Now Sparsh will tell me what is this? Finger. Right. So, tell me the spelling of a finger.
F-I-N-G-E-R-S.
Finger. Yes, very good. Very good, both of you. You have given the correct answer. And this is a star for both of you.
पोएम बोलना चाहिए.
पोयम बोलना है. ठीक है, बोल के बताओ. Start. Tell me fast. आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है बेटा. आपका वॉइस बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है बेटा. यस, लेकिन आपने बहुत ही अच्छा बोला. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. Very good. Now you can mute yourself. After this worksheet, we will see the poem. Okay. Yes. Now let's open the textbook. All of you open the textbook fast. All of you open the textbook, and we have to solve the textbook worksheet. Okay. Textbook में भी जो worksheet दिया है ना solve करने के लिए, वो आपको complete करना है. ठीक है. First, you have to write in the upside. What you have to write? Classwork, CW, and today's date 1/5/7 and 2/1/21. Okay. And who is going to tell me this one? कौन बोलेगा मुझे? यहाँ पे क्या करना है मुझे? You have to join the spelling with the parts of the body. Okay. Parts of the arm. Sorry. After smearer and spurge. Yes, Cornish, आपने rename भी नहीं किया है. Cornish, unmute yourself. Cornish. Your voice is breaking. Yes, Cornish. Read this one. Read the spelling fast. I think some network issue is there with you, Cornish. You will try it afterwards. Yes, Antara Maske, you have got the chance in the last session. Now, Son Kamble. Kushal, Son Kamble, unmute yourself. Kushal. Yes, Kushal.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes,
You have to
teacher.
read the spelling. You have to read the spelling and match it with the correct, right body part. Okay. कौन सा spelling लिखा है यहाँ पे? Read it. WRIST. Wrist. Okay. Where is the wrist? आपको कहाँ पे मैच करना है? यहाँ पे. Is this right? Correct or not? Yes. Very good. Now ये read करो. Thumb. बोलो thumb. Thumb. Show me your thumb. Show me your thumb. Yes. Yes, thumb. This is our thumb. Very good. Now the next. Read it.
FINGERS. Fingers.
Fingers. Yes, fingers. ये fingers है? Correct है?
Yes.
Okay, now you can mute yourself. Now the next, who will tell me the next one? Okay. After Kushal. Yes, Suvain. Unmute yourself. Suvain.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you will tell me the next one. Read this spelling. जो नीचे लिखा है ना उसको spelling read करो.
First.
P.
PALM.
क्या होता है PALM? Palm. Show me your palm. Show me your palm. Fast. This is our palm, na?
Right hand.
यहाँ पे मैच करूं? राइट है? Yes or no?
No.
What?
No.
No. तो फिर this is our palm.
Yes.
Okay. Now the next one. Read the next one.
HAND.
Hand. Right. Where is our hand? Where is our hand? Show me your hand. This is our hand, ना? तो मैं यहाँ पे मैच करूं? Right है?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Now the next spelling. Read it.
ELBO.
B.
W. ELBOW. Elbow. This is our elbow.
No. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, all of you have to do it in your textbook fast. Yes, very good, Suven. You have given the correct answer. Now you can complete it in the textbook fast. All of you have to complete it in the textbook also. Join the names with their arms, parts of the arms. Okay, Arohi have completed. Very good. Now the next, most of the students have completed. I think you are sending the messages, but don't send the messages so many times. Okay, very good. I am getting that all of you have completed. You all are very good student and very fast also. Yes, very good. Now we will see the parts of the legs to the names. Okay, match the parts of the legs to the names. First, यहाँ पे भी आपको क्या करना है? You have to write the CW and 1, 5, 15, 7 and 2, 1, 21. Like this you have to write it. Okay. And this one also you have to complete it. Who is going to tell me where I have to match it? Yes, Vihan, unmute yourself. Vihan.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, आपको रीड करना है कि फर्स्ट स्पेलिंग क्या लिखा है. Read it.
मोठ्याने बोल.
FA नहीं लिखा है बेटा. FOO Foot. Foot. Where is our foot? ये foot है? Yes, very good. Now read the next one.
Next one.
TOES.
Toes.
Nose.
Nose नहीं, toes.
Toes.
Toes. Yes, very good. This is our toes. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is our toes. ये toes नहीं है ना बेटा. Toes तो हमारा पैर के fingers को बोलते हैं.
No.
This is our toes, right? And what is this? Read the spelling.
TOES.
TH I GH. Thigh. Thigh. Okay. And where is our thigh? This one is our thigh. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now you can mute yourself. Now the next one, who is going to tell me this one? Yes, you can mute yourself. Vihan.
Yes.
Okay. Now the next one, who is remaining? Sachi, I think you are not in by the correct, okay? Your audio is not connected. Sachi Sawant. Yes. Now, Atharva, tell me. Atharva and Anandi. Anandi Banot, unmute yourself. Anandi. Yes, Anandi, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Atharva and Anandi also join. If you not unmute yourself, then I will don't call the name for the next time. Anandi Banot, please unmute yourself. Okay, let it be. Yes, Atharva, tell me. Read the spelling this one. आपको ये read करना है.
HEEL.
क्या होता है? Heel. Where is our heel? This is our heel. ये heel है क्या जहाँ पे मैंने मैच किया है?
No.
No. Then this is our hill.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Now read this one.
ANKLE.
Yes, very good. So what is this? ANKLE? Ankle. Yes. And where is our ankle? This is our ankle.
No.
Yes. Okay. Now the next one. Read it. Read the next one.
Next
Last one.
KNEE.
Knee. Yes. Where is our knee? This is our knee.
Yes. No.
This is our knee.
No.
Then this is our knee.
No.
No. Then where is our knee? This is our knee.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Very good, beta. Now you can mute yourself. Very good. Now all of you have to complete this page also. Fast. I will wait for only 2 minutes. Yes. All of you have to join this parts with their names. Okay, with their names. Yes, fast. If you have completed, please send Y in the chat box. Completed? Okay. Now, it's a homework time. Take the screenshot, everyone. Please take the screenshot. Yes, all of you. Please take the screenshot. This is homework. What is the homework? EVS notebook. मैं आपको ये arms, parts of the arms and the parts of the leg लिख के दिया हुआ है, ठीक है? Different parts of the arms, fingers, thumb, wrist, palm, hand, elbow, ये सब लिख के दिया हुआ है. आपको क्या करना है? उसको complete करना है, ठीक है? And parts of the legs also given thigh, knee, foot, toes and ankle, heel, ठीक है? ये आपको उसमें लिखना है. Okay? Have you taken the screenshot? Parents? You have taken the screenshot? Yes, very good. Now, thank you all of you. Okay? Thank you all of you. Yes, thank